How to use TikTok user search. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from Solution Guide, and in this guide video I'll show you the way as to how you can go ahead and then use the user search feature on TikTok. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to use the user search feature on TikTok in order to search people on TikTok, then you can do this very easily. First, just make sure that you have either downloaded or updated the TikTok app to the latest version, and you can do this by heading over to your respective app store. In a search box, typing in TikTok, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you have updated the TikTok application, now I want you to go over and then simply open it up. Next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. After you're logged in, you can basically see that this is how it is actually going to look like. In order to search for users on TikTok, all you have to do is tap on the discover icon or the search box on the top right corner of the screen. Once you do that, you'll be able to see a recent searches you have made. If you want to search for users on TikTok, first of all, just go ahead and then try to enter the username. For example, if I search for username over here, you'll be able to see a list of all these options. You can just select any of the names over here. Basically, you have some of the top contents, but if you want to go ahead and then actually use the user search, you can see the option or the menu called users at the very top of the screen. So just tap on it. You'll be able to see a list of all the TikTok accounts based on that particular username which you have searched for. If you know the exact username, they're going to appear on the top, but if you do not know the exact username, depending upon the keywords they've used, depending upon the display name and username, the search result is actually going to appear in that way. Now you can just go ahead and tap on any of these profiles, tap on the follow button, send a message or do anything. And this is simply how you can go ahead and then use the TikTok search feature. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.